class 7. Today we are going to start the third chapter, that is fiber to fabric. What it is? Fiber to fabric. What do you understand by fiber and what do you understand by fabric? Fiber, you can say it is a thread by which fabric made. Understood? This is only the difference between fiber and fabric. Let's start our chapter without wasting our time. As we all know, there are two types of fiber, that is natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Let's begin. Natural fiber are thread obtained from the plant and animals. What are natural fiber? Natural fiber is a thread that we obtain, means that we get from we get from plant or from animal, that are called as natural fiber. In class 6th, we have learnt about some fibers obtained from plant which are used to make fabric. For example, cotton plant give us cotton fiber which are used for making cotton fabric. For example, that are cotton flax, jute are the plant fiber, means cotton, flax and jute, these all are plant fiber that we get from plant. In this chapter we will study about fibers which are obtained from animal and hence called animal fiber, and the fiber that we obtain from animals are known as animals fiber. The two most important animal fiber are wool and silk. The two important animal fiber are wool and silk. Wool we obtain from sheep and silk we obtain from silk moth or cocoon, you say. Let's begin that how wools come and how we get the silk. Wool comes from animals such as sheep, goat and yak. We get wool from sheep, goat and yak, etc. Whereas silk come from silkworm. So wool and silk are animal fiber because we get them from animal, that's why they are known as animal fiber. Wool is used for knitting sweater. Knitting means bunna. Wool is used for knitting sweater and weaving shawls and other woolen cloth. Silk is used for making saris and other dresses. We will now discuss the production of wool and silk in detail one by one. Let's start with wool. Now we will go through these two animal fiber in detail. First of all, we are going to start with the wool. Wool is the most commonly used animal fiber. Wool is the soft, wavy means curly hair which covers the body of a sheep. What is wool? Wool is only the hair of that are covers the body of animal like sheep, goat and yak. Actually, wool is modified from the hair that grows with a weaveness. Because of the weaveness of wool, the woolen fabric have a great bulk than cotton fabric and hence trap move air. Due to this, woolen fabrics keep us more warm during cold winter days. As you all know, can we wear wool in the summer season? No, we cannot wear it in the summer season because it does not allow air to pass through them. That's why wool is wear in winter season and it is good fabric in the winter season for our use. Wool comes from sheep. Actually, wool is obtained from the fleece. Fleece means hair. Obtained from the fleece of sheep. Sheep grow wool on their body and once a year. This wool is sheared means cut off through Wool comes mainly from sheep. Some other animals also give us wool. This is discussed below. Once in every year, their hair are sheared from their body, means their hair are cut off from their body. Once in a year, only one time in a year. Animal that yields wool. Now we are going to learn which animal give us wool. Wool comes from animal like sheep, goat, yak, camel, llama and alpaca. In the other word, the wool yielding animal are sheep, goat, yak, camel, llama and alpaca. These animals are called wool yielding animal, means the animal that give us wool are known as wool yielding animals. The wool yielding animals bear a thick coat of hair on their body, means they have a thick coat of hair on their body. It is this hair give us wool and that hair give us wool. Actually, the wool yielding animals have thick coat of hair on their body to keep the body warm during cold winter season. What happened? The hair that present on their body have thick coat which protect their body to prevent them in cold winter season, keep their body warm. The hair trap lots of air and the hair that are present on their body trap lots of air, due to which their loss of body heat became lesser. So it protect them from the cold and make them survive in that cold condition also. Air is a poor conductor of heat. As you know, conductor and insulator, they are two words. Conductor means which allow heat or electricity to pass through them. It is written poor conductor. It means their hair is a poor conductor of heat, means they do not allow heat to pass through them. If their body heats pass through their hair, what happen? They cannot survive in that hilly mountain winter season. That's why their body hair keeps their body heated by protecting them being loss of their body heat from their hair. That this way they keeps the animal that live in the mountain area or warm in winter season. This is why the hair of these animals remove only once in the year at the beginning of summer season. They can survive without hair in the summer season. That's why their hair gets removed from their body only once in a year, that in the summer season. And by the time of winters comes, the thick hair again grow up on their body and protect their body from the cold winter season. Understood? That's why only once in a year their hair gets removed from their body. This is all for today, class 7th. We will continue our lesson in the next class. Please go through the explanation, and I want to tell you this chapter fiber to fabrics come in the portion of, means you will, when you write this chapter, you will write this chapter in your chemistry copy. Before this, these are the at last we will do. You have to do a thorough revision of the explanation. Please do it very carefully. Have a nice day. Bye bye.